welcome back to my channel. So excited. Today, as you can see, it's another unboxing and it is by Louis Vuitton. So here's the thing. What I'm about to unbox, it's not like an exotic piece. It's nothing crazy, okay? It's nothing crazy. But you know when you've been like wanting something for so long and you just like, you can't believe that you actually get it and you're just like, what? That is what today's unboxing is. I mean, this really is, I mean, let me just unbox it. It's a piece that a lot of people have. So I don't want to like overhype it. I'm just personally excited because I've been wanting this for so long. So this is the bag. I feel like Louis Vuitton does like really big bags. Sometimes the item I don't feel like is this big. I am going to try to get this in frame. I also have right next to me the organizer for it, but I'll show you that afterwards just because I feel like the organizer gives it away. So okay, so here's the item. Do you see what I mean? It's really not that big, but like this is how they package it. Which I'm not mad at it. The boxes are nice. Okay, so now that we have it out of the big box, this is the dust bag. And the item that I got is the Nice BB. Let me scoot in a little. I'm so excited. Okay, so you see what I mean? Like, it's not like a crocodile bag, but I have been wanting this for so long. I haven't seen it since they showed it to me in the store. And I actually got this at the beginning of September. I just had a bunch of videos and I was trying to like diversify because I did a Louis Vuitton unboxing as my first video for this channel. So I didn't want to do, you know, right away. But yeah, I've had this for a little bit, and inside they just had some stuffing. Ooh. And then that is what it looks like, just in case somebody is watching and they haven't seen 10 million of these. But yeah, so this is what it looks like on the inside. It is a vanity case, so this is like a wipeable material. You get a little zipper there, you get one pocket there, and then on the inside you get two more pockets. And then for this, because it is just one huge compartment, and I purchased this for makeup. I believe it's like makeup, toiletries, really whatever you want. But I intend on using this for makeup, specifically when I travel. A lot of people have said, just because it's really pretty, that they'll put this on their vanity and they just keep their makeup like inside. But I mean, I have a lot of makeup, a lot of brushes. So this would definitely not fit my makeup, and everything's like organized. I'm actually sitting where I do my makeup. So yeah, I specifically bought this for traveling purposes. So, but because it is so like, it's just one big, you know, hole basically, I got this organizer. So oops, this is from the brand SAMORGA. There are a lot of bag organizers that you can choose from. I think this was one of the first ones though. So this is how it comes, and I haven't opened this either just because I wanted to show you guys. So they have some stuffing as well. And then you get this added little, hopefully this color is showing. On the monitor it looks like it's washed out, but it's like a really, like, it's like a Barbie pink. And so I don't really know what this is for. I mean, I guess you could use this for cash, credit cards. Whoops. You could use it for anything you want. It's just a little pocket that SAMORGA throws in. It's like a complimentary little gift. But yeah, this is what the organizer looks like. So you have a pocket here, and then another pocket here, spots here, two more compartments, a larger compartment, and then you have two more pockets here. So it's just really nice to keep all of your products organized so you're not just like throwing stuff in. And even though this is like a wipeable material, I don't know, it's just nice to keep it kind of as clean as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and just plop this guy in here so I can show you guys what it looks like. So that is what it looks like with the organizer inside. And I forgot to tell you, let me just take this out actually. The organizer, this middle compartment of the organizer does actually Velcro out. So what's cool about that is with this, it's nice because like you can stand like products up, but let's say you want to put like an entire palette in here if you're traveling and you're okay with just having one big open space, but you still want to protect the interior of the Nice BB, you can take that out and then just throw anything you want in here or put it back. So I personally would probably keep it, but I like having the option. I think that's really cool. Okay, and really fast, I know this is a popular item, but just in case there's somebody out there who isn't as familiar, I wanted to go over some like quick details. So the Nice BB is primarily a canvas piece. So as you can see here, the canvas does wrap all the way around, but you do have some leather piping down here at the bottom, as well as on the top. And then the handle itself is also vachetta or untreated leather, meaning it's not water resistant. So that's even more important for an item like this because it is a toiletry bag. So a lot of people are going to use this for like skin care, hair care. They might use it for makeup too. But I know that a lot of people do say they keep this on the sink in the bathroom. And what do you do in the bathroom? You use water. So if you're washing your hands and a couple of drops accidentally land here, you are gonna see some staining. So just something to keep in mind. Some people will spray Apple Guard on the untreated leather. Some people will use like twillies to wrap around it just to protect it. Honestly, I don't do either. I usually just try to keep any vachetta pieces I have away from water. And with this one, it'll be the same because even though it is a toiletry, I'm only using it for makeup. And when I am doing makeup like on a trip, like in a hotel room, I'll usually just sit on the floor in front of a window. I'll just open the window, pop a squat on the floor with a mirror and my makeup and just do it there. So I don't really plan on having this in the bathroom either. So I'm not too worried about it, but I just wanted to mention that. But yeah, other than that, I think that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys because I'm so excited. I can't believe I actually have it. It's one of those things that's like, I've been wanting it for so long and I just was like, oh, one day. And now I'm like, I have it, I can keep it. So I'm just really excited. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.